Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add a Hotmail email account to your iPhone or iPad. Whether you want to manage your emails, calendar, or contacts all in one place, this guide will make it simple and easy to follow. Let's get started. First, open the browser on your iPhone or iPad and go to the Outlook login page. Once you've signed in, you'll arrive at the Outlook homepage. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's helpful to know where your settings and account options are. Now, look for the settings icon, which looks like a gear and is usually at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and from the menu that appears, select Account to open your account settings page. This area lets you manage your email, personal information, and connected devices. Next, scroll down and tap on mobile devices. This section is key because it allows you to sync your Hotmail email with your iPhone or iPad. You might see a list of devices already connected to your account, which can be useful if you want to check which devices are currently active. Below that list, you'll find an option that says Get the Outlook app. Tap on it to proceed. If you don't already have the Outlook app, download it from the App Store. The app is free and provides a much smoother experience than using a browser. Once it's installed, open the app and sign in with your Hotmail credentials. Follow the on-screen prompts to grant the necessary permissions for notifications, calendar access, and syncing. After signing in, your emails, contacts, and calendar items will start syncing automatically with your device. This means you'll get real-time updates whenever a new email arrives or a calendar event is added. You can also customize notifications in the app, so you're only alerted for the emails that matter most. Finally, take a moment to explore the Outlook app settings. You can organize your inbox, add multiple accounts, and even change how your emails are displayed. These small tweaks make your email experience much smoother and more productive. And that's it. You've successfully added your Hotmail account to your iPhone or iPad. Now you can access all your emails, contacts, and calendars directly from your device anytime. Thanks for watching and happy managing.